Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the SLP update part 2. And today it was a very busy day. It was a very amazing day. Now, I've made like all SLP videos that I've literally done are playing absolutely perfectly. From day one until now, it seems like every single video that I've put in has been predicted absolutely right on the money, 100%. And so once again, I'm gonna bring this second update because today, look at this one. I made one video saying the moment of truth. Yesterday, I made a video 3 days ago. I made a video saying that we have a falling wedge, and that's a bullish pattern. Other people are trying to say it's a descending triangle. Even I said it's almost a descending triangle. But then again, I corrected that one to say it was a falling wedge when I recheck everything. So today, listen to this part. The biggest question that I have right now. And by the look of things, I do suggest and I do hope that, it just comes here, touch this line, and then you start to go to the upside and you completely take off with SOP, like really, really take off to the upside. And okay, from there, I actually promoted the course that I'm teaching for technical analysis. So if you want to learn all this thing that I did for SLP from the very beginning, you can take this course. Check it out. Today's the last day for the discounted price as well. So you might not want to miss on technical analysis. So let's go back into the charts. And right now, exactly all the thing that I wanted to see for SLP, the moment of truth has been told. In my opinion, let's go SLP. We're flying all the way to the moon right now. Guys, literally, this is about to take off, say 10x, 20x, I don't know. But I'm not going to be super excited. I just have to go logically. Now, for me, the first target that I'm going to tell you is this one, 21. Okay, so I do expect SLP now to go to the 21 because that's where you actually started the wedge. But in my opinion, it's going to go higher than that. And let's look at the weekly time frame if we have any clue. Right, so let's dive into the weekly. And the weekly is making a bullish engulfing candlestick, guys. It's a buying opportunity. It's a buy opportunity, and it's a buy opportunity. That's it for this update. And once again, if you want to take the course, and one more thing though, we do have a Discord which is free. I don't want to talk about all because today I just messaged that, hey, SOP fans, they understood what I mean by that. So anyway, join the Discord, take the course, whatever you want to do, guys, and best of luck with your investments. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.